Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. In this video, we'll be looking at the differences between single and double opt-ins. Email marketing is one of the best ways to engage with visitors and turn them into subscribers and customers. But before they can read your emails, they've got to subscribe. And that's why there's a debate over the best opt-in method. So what is double opt-in? Double opt-in is when subscribers sign up via your subscription form, then get an email with a link they have to click to confirm that they want to get emails from you. This is called a confirmation email, and when double opt-in is enabled, subscribers must confirm or they won't get your emails. So what is single opt-in? Single opt-in is when subscribers sign up via a subscription form and are immediately added to your email list. There is no need for further confirmation, and they'll start getting your emails straight away. So what are some of the benefits of double opt-ins? One of the biggest benefits of double opt-ins is that you have a more engaged list. Because subscribers have to confirm, the people on your list really wanted to sign up. Confirmed subscribers are less likely to report emails as spam, which helps your email deliverability. In general, a list with double opt-in is a list that's built on quality. The disadvantages of double opt-ins is that mainly it's a longer sign-up process for subscribers, and some subscribers will forget to click the confirmation link. Unconfirmed subscribers could end up losing you a lot of potential revenue. On the other hand, some of the benefits of single opt-ins include that you can grow your list fast and connect with new subscribers more quickly. Plus, you won't need to worry about unconfirmed subscribers. However, there are some disadvantages to single opt-in. Choosing single opt-ins can affect your deliverability. First off, you have a higher risk of being reported for spam. Next, with single opt-in, mistyped email addresses can end up on your list, which can result in more bounces and hurt deliverability even more. Finally, you can also end up with fake and spam emails from people who want to grab your lead magnet. When sending emails to these addresses, they bounce and affect your sender reputation and future deliverability. You may want to know, is double opt-in required by law? There is no black and white answer to this question because it depends on the region of the world. In the US, under canned spam, there's no requirement to have permission to email people. In other countries, permission is required, but it doesn't have to be via double opt-in. In Germany, after several legal cases, double opt-in is the norm to prove legal compliance. You'll need to do the research to make the best decision for you and your email list about single or double opt-ins. And once you do, you'll be on your way to excelling at email marketing. Before you go, don't forget to sign up for our free gift to you, 12 proven ways to convert abandoning visitors into subscribers. Learn how to unlock the highest revenues from each of your website visitors.